Good morning, everyone. Management Induction Series number 9. Today, we discuss about what is the pedagogy of MBA program. The very title of the MBA program, Business School, evokes in all of us a thought. It is in school. It is classroom based. Theories are taught in the classrooms. So our main activity is limited to some texts, some books, some other literature based activities. But it's very quite different from classroom. It's a blend of five. It is commonly known blend of five. One, it is virtual, more digitalized. You are exposed from a physical platform to a virtual platform. Your presence is converted to virtual. Next one, real time. Be real time. The validity of a program, of a discussion, of a content is not tracked or dragged from the ancient old system. It is current because the dynamics of world business activity is fast changing. So it's real time. The problems of today is very different from the past 3 years. So the pedagogy goes with real time. Third, case studies. These case studies are taken from past, which are not duplicated or reacted in the upcoming scenario, which had been there. But out of which the case study is done, to give an exercise of what can be corrected, what can be repeated, what can be amended. So that's one way. Another one, experiential learning. The students are given an opportunity to go with experiential learning, the so-called lab experience. Currently, MBA program is more with interns. The students are supposed to be qualified with industrial standards, which is not brought out in a text from a textbook. It is they are sent to a industrial experience or corporate experience so that they are properly molded. The next, simulation. Here, it's a very unusual exercise that's being done in B school, but they are given an opportunity. For example, MarchStat. It's a virtual platform in which a situation is created for a student should get reenacted so that they may get a better understanding about the situation that they are in. So ultimately, this is a blend of five. It is not just lecture alone. Lecture is having a very minimal value. Rather, a classroom activity is converted to a workshop model, blend of these five. Good on you. God bless you. Thank you.